All this rain is a big concern for the residents of one town in Rockland County.
Yeah, people in Clarkstown say that they used to only worry about big weather events, but recently, even just a little bit of rain leads to flooding in their community. But they're now hoping that that's all about to change thanks to a multi-million-dollar investment.
Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis live in West Nyack, a hamlet of Clarkstown, with more. Marcus.
Well, David and Liz, the threat is just a few hundred feet away, the Hackensack River, which encroaches on these backyards. If all goes to plan, sometime next year, they will break ground on the construction of a berm that will basically provide a barrier and protect these houses from several feet of water. How stressful is it when it rains?
We pray that it never rains, but it is stressful.
Nancy Lynch should know. That's a picture of her son floating in front of their house on the front page of a newspaper 40 years ago. In the decades since, the houses on Jeffrey Court continue to flood, but now with increasing frequency.
It's been worse lately. If it's over 2 inches, we all go into panic mode. We know that the sewer might overflow, the water starts coming in. Help is finally on the way. Republican Mike Lawler worked with New York's Democratic senators to secure over $2 million for Jeffrey Court, part of a $58 million package for the congressional district.
We're trying to bring back federal funds to mitigate the cost to local property taxpayers and to our municipalities. And to really invest in these projects.
The money will help pay for construction of a berm, a barrier several feet high that will contain water from the Hackensack River, preventing it from spilling into backyards and basements. For homeowners, another benefit of the improvement will be lower cost for flood insurance, a long overdue project that the town supervisor says would have been too costly without federal funds.
It's a balancing effect of, what can you do when, and how many roads can you pave as opposed to this? So enable to get this money from the federal government, it's going to enable the town to do more, the town to be able to roll up our sleeves and be part of it.
And they're confident it will work because they've done it before. Clarkstown successfully mitigated flooding in another area with construction of a berm, and we'll show you that coming up at 6 o'clock. For now, we're live in West Nyack. Marcus Solis, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.